Boards can make sure that organizations are training their people to take advantage of AI and manage risk by doing a couple of things. The first is setting the strategy and the standards for the organization, the accountability that's necessary to make sure it's used wisely. Something that I think is missing at the moment, though, is a foundational understanding of AI and which AI we're referring to that creates the liability. So in this case, I'm thinking about generative AI, the large language models that drive that exposure. Boards have a role in helping HR departments prepare for and train employees with HR in a couple of ways. Setting the strategy for the organization, making sure resources are allocated appropriately so that they're able to prepare employees to manage the risks and frankly, take advantage of generative AI as it exists today. At the moment, it's more co-working and complementing for the majority of white-collar employees. There is some disruption and displacement. However, for the most part, it's increasing productivity in small increments. Another opportunity boards have to help HR departments with generative AI and the potential disruption it may have is making sure organizational culture is continued to be maintained and evolve. Our ways of working are dramatically different in some instances. With remote work, with the democratization of the workforce, and the ability to work from anywhere, we find employees may have a manager on another continent. Departments and teams are now collaborating across languages using AI. It's relatively new, and it's going to have challenges, and we have to prepare folks, but we also need to make sure we're caring for the culture of the organization and evolving in a thoughtful manner.